Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you an overview of the Minimis SDI, and let's start with the pose. And here we have 4 3G SDI inputs, supporting up to 2K by 16 resolution. And over. It is the power port Type-C 12 volt and 3 amp, and next to it is the power switch. And here are the 4 HDMI input ports, supporting up to 4K by 16. So in total, we have 8 input channels, and channels 1 to 4 can use either HDMI or SDI. And these two are the HDMI outputs, one of the programs and the other one for the multiview. Both support up to 2K by 16. And the lead is the network ports, which you can use for PDC control, remote control, and streaming. The Type-C port labeled 1 is used for recording and importing materials, and the 2 is for video capture, allowing you to capture video to a computer and then stream it to platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Zoom, Twitter, and more through third-party software such as OBS. And then now let's take a look at the audio ports on this side. And we have 2 mic input ports, and the mic 1 also supports 48 baton power, and which is off by default. And the lead is the line 6.35 millimeters TRS jack that you can connect to a PC, mobile phone, or audio mixer. And this port uses the same connector types as line, but it is an audio out, which you can connect to speakers. And here is the headphone output, a 3.5mm mini jack for audio monitoring. Okay, and let's move on to the front panel buttons. And the lead is the built-in 5.5-inch LCD screen, which shows the preview image and supports touch screen control. And first, let's look at the audio control. The Minimis SDI looks a bit like a mini audio console, and these 4 audio knobs control the embedded audio levels of the 4 HDMI or SDI inputs. And these are the audio slider, which controls the audio from the side panel ports. In microphone input 1, microphone input 2, line, Bluetooth, headphone output, and the light outputs. And the lead is the audio monitoring buttons. When its lights are green, you can monitor the audio of a selected channel. The lead is the mute button. And then next, let's talk about the signal button. These number buttons are for the selecting input channels 1 to 5. And the lead is the page switch buttons. And inside the view settings, you can save and record up to 16 different scenes. And these are the layer buttons. It's background, layer A, layer B, logo, overlay, and text. Green means the layer is active, and blue means it's being added, and green means it's not in use. And these 2 are the camera control and the source control button. And the lead is the zoom button, which controls zooming for PDC cameras and also scaling for input source. And the joystick is used to control PDC position or adjust the position of input source. And here is the T-bar, used for switching between the preview and program. And it is the menu button. And the next to it is the one-touch streaming button. Alright, that is the best overview of the Minimis SDI. In the next video, I will power on the device, connect the signal source, and walk you through all the different features. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!